Let's open the box and see what's inside. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting this Lego project. It's a 42096 Porsche 911 RSR and it's 1580 pieces. This is the box, the front side of the box. This is the back side of the box. The sides don't have much, really. But just in case. Once we get everything out of the box, this is what we have. A few things to note, we have 4 tires that are out of bags, not packaged. We have the instructions. And then we have 1, 2, 11, 12. 14 bags of individual parts. So today's video is basically let's look what's inside of the box and count the pieces or the bags. So if you buy this Lego kit, here's what you're going to have out of the box. I think this is some wheels and something else. The bags are not labeled and I'm not 100% sure if they're random or packaged, like I don't know, but yeah, it's kind of hard to tell. These are some fenders and other parts as far as you can tell. There's more fenders. There's a fender right here, and there's a fender right there. So there's one fender in this bag, and there's one fender in this bag, and the rest is, I guess, four bags of really small, tiny parts. Especially these, but also this bag has little pieces. So that's in a nutshell what this Lego kit is like. This is what you get in the box. So I guess the next thing to do is open this instructions manual bag, and what you have in the instructions bag is instructions book, naturally, and 2 sets of stickers. I'm going to tell you how many pages it's got. So if you skip all the way to the back of the book, you have 2 pages with all the individual parts and pieces. This is a page 294, so I'm assuming this is a page 295, so you have 295 pages in all. And like I said, this is just the list of all the parts and pieces. So all these individual pieces have quantities assigned to them and also part numbers assigned to them also. So every single piece has a part number, and you can, if you have a shortage of something or if you break something, you can always replace it, and you can go by the part number that is mentioned on these 2 pages. 2 pages before that is, I guess, the picture of the car itself. On this side we have the actual car, and on this side we have the Lego version of this same car. So this is going to be it for this part. Part 1 was just looking inside of this box, making things out, and this should be it for now. The next part number 2, is going to be, we will start putting it all together, and I guess I'm going to do a time lapse. There is no point to do this in real time because it's going to be a fairly long process of putting everything together and finishing this Lego project. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you soon in my next video of this fun project.